In this session, we are going to talk about Phylum COELENTERATA, or the coelenterates. Coelenterates is a phylum among the many phylums of invertebrates. So far we have finished looking at phylum Annelida. We have looked at phylum Echinoderms, and now we want to look and talk about phylum COELENTERATES. This phylum, we have organisms like the koilos, we have the hydra, the jellyfish, and the sea anemones. All these organisms, they have characteristics that are similar in all the organisms, or the characteristics that are used to group all of them into the same phylum. And one of the characteristics is that they have a diploblastic body type. That is, the body is made up of the endoderm and the ectoderm. If you look at their body structure, which we are referring to as a diploblastic, it has the endoderm and the ectoderm. And you'll find that all these organisms are marine organisms. That is, they are found in oceans. And they have two body types. There is a type which we call the polypop, which is a sessile. It is fixed in one place. And then we have another body type, which is the medusa. This one is a free floating body type. Some of these organisms are cylindrical, and they have mouth and tentacles at one end. And the tentacles are the ones that are used in the process of capturing the prey. And within the tentacles, there are stings that are used to produce poisonous substances that kill their prey. These organisms, which include the koilos, the hydra, the jellyfish, and anemones, they are multicellular organisms. They are made up of very many cells. And an interesting part is that their intestine is a sac-like structure with only one opening, meaning that the food enters in that one opening, and then also the waste materials come out of the body through the same opening, which is a sac-like intestine with one opening. Now, when it comes to reproduction, they reproduce asexually by budding, that is in the polypop body type, those ones which are sessile, that are stationary. They reproduce by budding, which is a type of asexual reproduction. And the medusa type, those ones that are free to move, they reproduce by production of gametes, and that is sexual reproduction. We have seen that phylum COELENTERATA includes organisms like the coral, the hydra, the jellyfish, and the anemone. We have said that they are diploblastic. Their body is made up of the ectotherm and the endoderm. They are marine organisms. They live in water, and their body is of two types: the polypops, which is sessile, fixed, and medusa, which is a free floating body type. They capture their prey in their tentacles and kill them by use of poison, which is secreted by the stinging organisms. These organisms, they are multicellular, and they have an intestine which has one opening, and they reproduce asexually by budding, that is in polypops, and they also reproduce sexually by production of gametes in the medusa. That is all about the small that we can mention about Phylum COELENTERATA. Next time when we come, we shall look at another phylum, and that is the phylum mollusks. Thank you for staying with us.